everyone, welcome to my channel where I share easy, quick and very effective natural home beauty recipes for your face, body and soul. And in today's video, I want to share with you 4 easy recipes with essential oils that will help you to fight common colds, boost your immunity and lift your mood up for upcoming holidays. First 3 recipes will be essential oil blends that will help to boost your immunity and keep cold and flu at bay. You can either diffuse those blends or you can use an oil burner. I personally will use oil burner this time. And the last recipe is antibacterial room mist. This mist is really very handy during these winter months or when someone is ill in your family who is sneezing, coughing and has a common cold. The mist will kill all the bacteria in the room when someone coughing or sneezing and will prevent this bacteria entering your body. So let me show you the recipes, let me show you what essential oils I use and then I will see you in a bit. So these 4 recipes, very easy, very quick and very effective. The essential oil blends for the diffuser or oil burner. You can use in the morning, in the evening and during the day. It's up to you which one you choose. If you think that the concentration of the essential oils is very high, you can decrease the amount of drops that you will use in these blends. It's up to you. It depends on your smell and on your preferences. And in regards to the antibacterial room spray, use it 3 times per day in every room, kitchen, bathroom, toilet. Spray there 3 times per day and it would really kill the bacteria and it will prevent it from entering your body. Every single time when I share any recipes with essential oils, I advise that you follow safety tips. I will list the safety tips in the description box below this video. Please read them and make sure that you can use these essential oils. Even if you're not applying them on your skin, you must be sure that you can inhale them because some people, they have breathing problems, maybe asthma or something like that, and they cannot inhale them. So please make sure that you can actually use them. If you do not know if you are okay in using the essential oils, always consult your doctor. Pregnant women and breastfeeding moms, I will advise as well. Consult your doctor first before using any essential oil blends. And if you are okay in using essential oils, then fine, you're good to go, and I hope that these recipes will be helpful for you. On my channel, I have 2 more videos with essential oil blends. One video is on winter essential oil blends, and other video is on essential oil blend for kids. I will list these 2 videos down in the description box below, or they will appear somewhere in the corners at the end of this video. Please check them out if you are interested, but always make sure to follow safety tips. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the recipes of the blends, and I hope that you enjoyed the recipe of the antibacterial mist for your room, because I always use the recipe of the mist when someone is sneezing or coughing, or just at the starting stage of being sick. That's why I always make it, and because I want to prevent the bacteria from spreading, and it helps my family a lot not to get sick more and to get well quicker. If you enjoyed the video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy the video, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, either clicking on this icon over here or on the red button below this video. Follow us on social media. Don't forget to watch the videos from the same series that I will link in the description box below, or they will appear somewhere at the end of the video. And I wish you all the best. Have a nice day, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.